Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with a new token by which you can earn much profit. So do watch my video from beginning to end, so you don't miss any information that is necessary, and do subscribe to my channel so you get to see the notification whenever I post my next video. Your Cash Finance token is a decentralized deflationary token. Token pre-sale is live, 5% airdrop on direct, and pre-sale price is 0.000003 USD. PancakeSwap listing price is this, and you can buy YCA. You can buy YCA by clicking this buy YCA button, and token sale. See the token sale by clicking this token sale button. You can join and buy token now by clicking this join and buy token button, and follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube. Buy YCF pre-sale crypto token will be released on the basis of Binance Smart Chain platform. Here will be your dashboard, which provides the insights of your income, available YCF, etc. This is the contract address which you can copy. Total supply is this: burn 50% burn in 5 steps. YCF price in BNB, YCF price in USD. Pre-sale supply available YCF. All time buy is this, and circulating token is 0 right now. Why there must be a question that why you should buy YCF token. Your Cash Finance is a decentralized deflationary token that aims to bring multiple aspects together to create stability in the ecosystem and economy. Your Cash Finance will bring prosperity to its holders by now and hold for your future. The world's biggest distributed and decentralized network powered by BNB, which allows the holder to receive various benefits in a completely automated way. So what do we want to do in terms of scalability? Or are there any examples of scalable protocols? Probably everyone has used it before. It's called Smart Chain. Diversify supply in multiple parts, open source transaction, decentralized and secure system, T2 million users target after ICO. Now, what is YCF token? Your Cash Finance is committed to launching multiple projects in the community and ecosystem under the umbrella of Yearn Finance, where fees and profits will be distributed amongst our holders over their lifetime. Your Cash Finance will collect and analyze data and help environmental organization work to reduce the negative impact of society on the ecosystem. We have multiple projects that will benefit our holders, including DEX Exchange, NFT Marketplace, endangered species, flowers, animals, and plants. Stocking ICO, launchpad, and launch of sub projects under the umbrella of Your Cash Finance to airdrop to our committed community members. Secured payment, fully secure, private, and secure one-click application, external integration, and payment gateway. Token sale. Once you've entered our ecosystem, you can manage everything. Anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can participate in the global marketplace. 9 days, 16 hours, and 25 minutes, 10 seconds are left. Roadmap. Start September 17 and October 10. Acceptable currencies: BNB Smart Chain. Number of tokens for sale. Tokens exchange rate. Minimal transaction amount was 0.1 BNB. PancakeSwap listing price 45 USD, 0.00045 USD. Liquidity. Phase 1 token creation, website launch and pre-sale launch. Phase 2 white paper launch, road to Binance, preparing strategy, YouTube marketing, push launches on social media platforms, PancakeSwap launch. Now phase 3 CMC listing, CJ listing, 20,000 holders, collaboration with influencers, community awareness of project. Phase 4 DX Exchange launch, Hotbit listing, Bitmart listing, $50 million M market cap. Phase 5 YCF stocking, YCF launch, NFT marketplace, $100 million market cap, second third party audit. Phase 6 last phase, more exchange listings, collaboration with environmental organizations, 100,000 holders, wallet launch, $500 million market cap. Supported wallet. YCF token supports BNB compatible wallet out of the box, which are mentioned below. Partners, affiliation and exchanges: CoinMarketCap, PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, and Binance. Frequently asked questions. Here are some of the frequently asked questions. What is YCF token? How to buy YCF token? You can buy YCF token from this official website of the Yocash Finance platform. How can I participate in the ICO? In order for you to participate in the ICO, you need to have BNB in your wallet to buy YCF. What is YCF token? ICO. YCF token ICO is an initiative to raise capital through pre-sale of its token YCF, which has a pre-sale package of 0.1 BNB and a supply of 3 trillion. YCF token ICO will finish on 10 October 2021. Is airdrop program available? Yes, there is 5% commission on every affiliate you joined. You can ask some question by simply writing your name here, writing your email and subject on which you want to ask question, and then your message, and then just click submit message button. You can even see the white paper by clicking this white paper button, by YCF by clicking this by YCF button. So that was it for today's video. If you got some information from it, do share, like, comment on my YouTube video, and do subscribe my channel so you don't miss any video that I post next. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.